Now that you have your hood open, I'm going to show you how to remove your air filter. It's really simple to do, and it is on your passenger side in front. It has 7 screws. So there's 7 screws around it. 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 back here. What you're going to do is you're going to loosen these screws up with a screwdriver, and once you get them loose, like I've already loosened all these up, they'll get to a point where they free spin. You don't have to remove those screws all the way, so just get them so that they're loosened up, and then we're just going to lift that filter cover up. And once we have that, we can remove our air filter, and I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So we would take that out and would replace it with a new one. But before you do that, you can come in here, you can vacuum and clean this out. Then we're going to put our new filter in. And then it works good if you push these screws up so they're not hanging down and not catching. So if they're up just a twist, then we can get this cover to set right into place, and we don't have 7 screws to mess with. So now that they're up, you can see how easy that just set right into place, and then we can just push those screw heads down and start screwing. And we'll tighten those up, and then you have replaced your air filter for your Chevy Impala. And I believe this works for 2014 to 2019, but it may go up to 2021 as well. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.